What's up, budget foodies, and welcome back to Nom on a Budget. Are you tired of choosing between your bank account and a decent meal? Today, we're hacking the takeout system with a recipe that's legendary for being two things: dirt cheap and lightning fast. We're making the ultimate egg roll bowl. It has all those savory umami flavors you love, minus the deep frying, and most importantly, minus the delivery fees. We're throwing everything into the Instant Pot, so it's about 15 minutes from pressure to plate, and only a couple dollars a serving. Seriously, stop overpaying for dinner. Let's get into it.
Start by hitting that saute button and let's get this cranking. Now, add a glug of oil, just a kiss. Don't go overboard. We need this shimmering and hot, because if it's not sizzling, we're not living. In goes a pound and a half of pork. Listen to that gorgeous sizzle. That is the sound of a delicious dinner starting right now. Now, we're adding half a teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice. Now listen, this is totally optional, but it is one of my absolute favorite flavors in the whole world, so we're going for it. It gives it that something something. Now, get in there with your spoon and break up that pork. We're gonna saute it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's perfectly browned and beautiful. Don't rush it, let that flavor develop. Now, hit cancel to turn off saute mode. That residual heat is all we need now. Next, in goes a teaspoon of minced garlic. Jarred or fresh, whatever makes your heart happy. Just get it in there so it can start smelling like heaven. Now we're adding half a cup of beef broth right over the pork. This gives us the perfect amount of moisture and that deep savory flavor. Just pour it right in and let it mingle with all that beautiful 5-spice. It's starting to look and smell so good. Next, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now, if you prefer a really strong sesame punch, wait and stir this in after the cook time is up. But I'm adding mine now to let those nutty flavors start marrying with the meat. Now, we're going in with 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. This adds that perfect little tang and brightness to balance out the richness of the pork. It's a total game changer, so don't leave it out. Now, we're adding 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using low sodium because I like to control the salt myself, but whatever you got in the pantry will do. Just look at that color, it's already starting to look like a masterpiece. Now, grab your spatula and give everything a really good mix together. We want every single bit of that pork to be swimming in those incredible flavors. Get the vinegar, sesame oil, and that 5-spice all married up. It should be looking juicy, savory, and absolutely gorgeous in there. Look at that, we are officially ready for the next level. Grab a whole bag of coleslaw mix and dump it right on top. This is the easiest chef moment you'll ever have. Don't worry about stirring it in yet, we're just gonna let it sit there. Now, get that lid on and make sure it's set to the sealing position. Now, set your pot to pressure cook on high for, 0 minutes. Yes, 0. Once that timer beeps, we're going to immediately do a manual pressure release. Just flip that switch and get ready for the steam show. Once that steam is gone, pop the lid and give it a good toss. Look at how that slaw just wilted perfectly into the pork. It's a masterpiece. Now, if you're gonna give this a try, hit that like button for me. Also, don't go anywhere, cause I'm about to do a taste test. Plus, I got a full list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions coming up right now, so you can follow along at home.
Alright, we got the finished product right here. Let's give it a taste. Every time I make this, I am honestly shocked. The cabbage is perfectly tender and that Instant Pot forces the garlic flavor right into the meat. It tastes exactly like the inside of a high-end egg roll, but costs maybe what, $2 a bowl? You're getting that salty, savory, umami flavor without the greasy fingers or the $15 price tag. It's a definite 10 out of 10 for me. Now, here's my pro tip. When you're done pressure cooking, do not let it sit on the keep warm function. Immediately quick release the pressure. Doing this will make sure that your your cabbage consistency comes out perfect. Now, I'm personally not a huge fan of sesame seed oil, but if you are and you want that stronger aroma and taste from it, wait and add the sesame seed oil after pressure cooking, since pressure cooking really dims down the flavor. Now seriously, if you're looking to save some money and cook not boring food, I think this recipe is your best friend. If you enjoyed this recipe, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Nom on a Budget so you never miss a new recipe. This is Nom on a Budget. I'll see you in the next one, and happy cooking.